I used to teach English in China, and I taught all over the place, and I met a lot of characters. And one dude was this Australian dude, not an Australian dude, an Aussie, as we call them. And he showed me how to cure the hiccups, and it works. It's worked 97% of the time, at least, when I've used it. Okay? Now, what he did was a little different than what I do. Wait, let me move this table in front here, and I'll show you how to demonstrate what he did. He used the glass. I don't use the glass. I use this glass. Cheers. This is a chaser. So, the whole thing is to stick your thumbs in your ears, like this. And your pinkies, they go in your nose. Okay, you gotta make sure it's airtight. Now when you're talking, you can't hear anything. You can hear it inside your head, right? You can hear that your nose is plugged. So, now, what I do is I take a deep breath and hold it. Breathe out very slowly. Breathe in. There. See, I'm not gasping for breath, although I held my breath for a long time. Now, that will destroy the hiccups. Like I said, just about every time I've tried this, it works. And it's actually very relaxing for the mind. You know, they tell you to do breathing exercises, you know, breathe in, out. This actually does that to your brain too. So I feel really relaxed right now, relaxed enough to take a drink. Now what the Aussie told me to do was the same thing, right? Plug it up. But he did this. He went out of his glass and this side of the rim, okay? That's what he did. He picked it up. I can't even do it. Somehow he drank out of the other side of the glass, okay? This distracts the mind. So what you're doing is you're covering all the air holes in your head. Your mouth, your nostrils, your ear holes, they're all clogged up. And that was fine with me. I took a deep breath and then you saw what I did. But now he grabbed the other side of the glass and drank out of it, and that's like a distraction for the mind also. So I don't think you have to do the glass thing, but if you want to, okay. But what I showed you is fine, really, okay? So that's a cure for hiccups. Next time you have them, try it out. Make sure they're totally plugged up. You see, like this. Plug them up, and your hiccups will go away. Thank you from Tummy Talk Hiccup Hour.